Hey, let's take a look at the connections problem. So Peyton Taylor drew a map with a scale of 1 centimeter is 12 miles. On his map, the distance between Silver City and Golden Canyon is 2.25 centimeters. So on his map, it's 2.25 centimeters. What is the actual distance between Silver City and Golden Canyon? Well, our scale said every centimeter is the same as 12 miles. So if we take 2.25 centimeters times 12, because each of those centimeters is 12 miles, that will tell us how many miles we have. So we have 2.25 times 12, and it looks like it is 27 miles. Okay, when they give you a unit exchange rate, it's really easy to do that. If they give you centimeters, each of those is 12 miles, you just multiply by 12 and you're done. Okay, Janine Xavier constructed a model airplane in perfect proportion to the original. The length of the model's wing is 18 inches, while the length of the actual wing is 72 feet. If the diameter of the propeller is 12 feet, what's the diameter in the scale model? Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. This one's not quite as simple as the previous one because they didn't give us a unit exchange. Okay, so they told us that in the model, 18 inches is the same as 72 feet in real life. Okay, so again, this is the model. This is the actual amount. Well, one thing we can do, we can either set up a fraction here, or what you can do is say, okay, 18 times what would give me 72. Okay, so we take 72 divided by 18. Let me change the way that looks. Okay, so we know that 18 inches is 72 feet. We want that to be a unit conversion. So if we can, we want to reduce this fraction. So really our luck would be if something goes into both 18 and 72. And you'll notice 18 actually goes into both. So we reduce this fraction. That's one way to do this. And we find that 1 inch, 18 divided by 18 on top is 1, is the same as 4 feet in real life. So if we have this propeller with a diameter of 12 feet, how many inches on the scale is that? Okay, well, 4 feet to them is an inch. Notice this is not our conversion from feet to inches. It's from a model to an actual. Okay, so every 4 feet is an inch. That would mean that our propeller is 3 inches on the scale model. Okay, and the way you do that is say, well, to get 12 feet, how did I get to 12 feet? I took this times 3. I would have to do the same to the top here. Times 3 gives me 3 inches.